we are going to perform the transient response of RC series circuit using simulink. Okay, so now we have to press this simulink in order to get the simulink library. Okay, so we have to add a new block. Okay, so first we need to search power GUI, drag it to the untitled. Next element we need is a step. So drag this step element. Now the control voltage source. Drag it. Next we need RLC series branch. Press enter. Okay. RLC series branch. Okay, so we can also get it from commonly used branch. Search it again. RLC series branch. Okay, it is not coming. We have to search it again. Some errors has came. Okay, so first close it again. Now search it again. RLC series branch. Something error came, but we will try to find out. So drag it, or you can add to untitled. So make it R. First copy it, paste it, make it R. So we have got the register. Next we need inductor. Okay, so we have got the inductor. Next we need current measurement. So we have got the current measurement. We also need voltage measurement. So we have to drag it. Now next is scope. So drag it. Next we need ground. So drag this ground. Okay. So we have got the all the element to this model untitled file. Now we have to connect all the model. So when upon connecting all the element, we will get a circuit like this. Okay. So in this step, our step time is 0, initial value is 0, final value 10. The value of R is 10 ohm and the value of inductor is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 Henry. So this is the current measurement, or you can say ammeter. This is voltage measurement, or you can say a voltmeter. This will measure the voltage across the inductor, and this will measure the current across the current flowing through the resistor. Okay, so we have to run this program. So it is 100%. So now we will see the result. Okay, so this is the graph for current response of RL series circuit, and this is for the voltage response for RL series circuit. So when the current is increasing, the voltage is decreasing. After some time, the current becomes steady state. Also, the voltage tends to zero. So this was the response, or you can say the transient response of RL series circuit, and this is the MATLAB or simulink model for study of transient response of RL series circuit using simulink.